Children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to deal with Class 8 CBSE. Let us start with the question number 1. When a fire brigade arrives, what does it do? Children, when fire brigade arrives, it pours water on fire. Coming to the question number 2, water cools the combustible material so that its temperature is brought below its ignition temperature. Coming to the third question, if a fire breaks out in your house or in your neighborhood, the first thing to do is to call the fire service. Coming to the fourth question, what happens when water is poured on the fire? When water is poured on the fire, it prevents fire from spreading. Coming to the fifth question, the number of essential requirements for producing fire is 3. Can you list 3 requirements to produce fire? The 3 requirements to produce fire are air, fuel, and heat. Coming to the seventh question, fire can be controlled by dash one or more of these requirements. See, fire can be controlled by removing one or more of these requirements. Coming to the eighth question, what is the job of a fire extinguisher? See children, the job of a fire extinguisher is to cut down the supply of air, or to bring down the temperature. Coming to the ninth question, the most common fire extinguisher is water. Coming to the 10th question, for fires involving electrical equipment and inflammable materials like petrol, which is the best extinguisher? Children, for fires involving electrical equipment and inflammable materials like petrol, CO2 is the best fire extinguisher. Coming to the 11th question, is water suitable fire extinguisher for fires involving oil and petrol? No.